Hello, I'm Francesca Edwards, TWU's Student Senate President for the 2009-2010 school year, and I'm here to invite all of you to Town Hall Forum. Town Hall Forum is a chance for the students to get to meet with the department heads, including Vice President of Student Life, Dr. Nicholas. It's a chance for you to voice your concerns, issues, and opinions about things that are going on here at TWU. You can also find out about new things that are going to happen at TWU. For example, the Fitness and Rec Center that'll be starting soon and will be up by the end of 2010. Town Hall Forum will be September 29th, 2009 at 5 p.m. in Hubbard Hall's banquet room. It'll end at 6, so it gives you an hour to talk with the department heads. Come join us. Hope to see you there.